Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jay the Great, and today I got something pretty cool. I got this HDMI cord. This HDMI cord is going to turn my Xbox One S from a 1080p to a 4K console. So, first things first, I got to unplug the original one from both the Xbox and the TV. So, let me do that. Watch this, and there we go. And then need to and yeah. And now, because this is short, I'm going to have to switch my Xbox One and my Xbox 360. So give me one moment while I do that. Okay, I done it. I've switched my 360 and my Xbox One around. So now what I must do is I'm going to cut again, and I'm going to put this in the console, and then I'll see you in a bit. Alright, I've done it. I've switched them around, and not really much of a graphics this difference. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.